Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing about a free training program that is offered by Accenture through which you can develop skills in various areas like artificial intelligence and more. And not only that, this training program which we'll be seeing in this video will give you a real world work experience. So before we see what is the training program and how you can register for it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get instant updates about all our videos, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description, and you can visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So now let us get into the content of this video. So Accenture Developer Program is the free training event about which I was talking about. So this is a free of cost program that is given by Accenture through which you can develop your skills. So first let us see what is this Accenture Developer Program. So here it is for you. So this developer program will give you an opportunity to work on realistic tasks that Accenture developers and technical consultants do on their client projects. So what you are going to do is you are basically going to do a task which Accenture employees are doing for their real clients. So you are exactly going to do the same thing the Accenture employees are doing. So it is a very good opportunity to get into this program and do a work like that. It's a real world work experience. And by doing those things, you can develop skills in areas like architecture, programming, artificial intelligence, testing, cyber security, application security, and lot more. So this is about it. This is the Accenture Developer Program, which I have said in simple terms. And here is a video from Accenture employee speaking about Accenture Developer Program. So you can just watch this video to get more details about this Accenture Developer Program. Just watch it. It's a short video, 3 minutes video. Just watch it. And here are the benefits of this Accenture Developer Program. So first benefit for you is you can get real work experience. As I said, you are going to do tasks which Accenture employees are doing for Accenture clients. So that's going to get you a real world work experience. And the next one is you can earn a certificate after completing this developer program in Accenture. And obviously you are going to do a lot of things which will develop your skills, and it will account for your success. And you can learn directly from your you can learn directly from Accenture employees, and it is also a good thing to learn from people who have a good experience in any subject. And it's a self-paced program. That is what they have given here. Do it in your own time. So you do not need to rush. It's a self-paced program. You can complete it whenever you have time. And here are the things that you will be learning. As I said, architecture, programming, testing, security, artificial intelligence. So everything is given here. And here they have given what will you exactly do in this Accenture Developer Program. So for example, under architecture section, you will be understanding the priorities first, and then you'll be formulating measurable requirements, and then you will be evaluating the design decisions, and then you will be evaluating the options, different options available to run the software. And similarly, they have given what you'll be doing under each section here. Like for programming, they have given here, and for testing also they have given. For security, these are the things that you'll be doing, and for artificial intelligence you'll be doing these two things here. So they have given what are the things that you'll be doing under each section clearly in this part. You can just go through it, and it's a self-paced program, as I said, and it just takes 2 to 3 hours to complete this entire Accenture Developer Program and get your certificate. So these are the details given about this program, and now let's see how to register for it. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website, as I said, to get more details about free training events like these, which we are watching in this video. And I just want to tell you about a platform called Coursera, in which you can get courses under different subjects like data science, business, computer science, information technology, language, health, personal development. So the basic concept is you can learn whatever you want in Coursera, and if you go with their monthly plan, you are going to save a lot of money, and you can earn unlimited certificates as well, and you can learn whatever you want, as I said. So all the courses and all the specializations in Coursera are created and offered by companies like IBM, Google, and top universities like Stanford University, Duke University. So the best people in the world are offering courses in Coursera. It's a very good platform. If you want to develop any new skill, you can just go into this. And if you want to buy any course in Coursera, go with their monthly plan. That is the most important thing which I want to tell you in this video. Because if you buy any individual program in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with their monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,352. And with that, you will get access to 3,000 plus courses. And not only that, you are going to get access to their guided projects, specializations, and professional certification programs as well. And you can earn unlimited certificates. For example, let's say you complete 200 courses in that 1 month. You can get 200 certificates, no issue, no restrictions to the number of courses or the number of certificates that you gain. It's up to you. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs in Coursera, as I said, which are actually offered by companies like Google, Facebook, IBM. You will also get access to all those professional certification programs as well. So the basic concept is, with this cost, you are going to get access to the entire Coursera platform. So if you want to take any course in Coursera, go with their monthly plan so that you can save a lot of money. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera monthly plan offer and learn a new skill, and you can also gain unlimited certificates as well. So I hope you'll find this useful. Now let's see how to register for this Accenture developer program. So once you are in this page, just scroll down, you will see a register now button here at the bottom. Just click on it and you'll be directed to a page like this. So first you need to create an account in this platform. So for that, you can just go ahead and create your account with your Google account, or else just click on the sign up with email. Just provide your details and click on this register button to create your account. So let me register my account and catch up after that. So now I have created my account and logged into my account. So once you log into your account, you'll be directed to the Accenture developer program homepage like this. So just click on this register now button again. And then you have to answer a few questions to enroll in the Accenture developer program. So first one is, where did you hear about the Accenture developer program? So you can just choose other option here and click on the next button. And the next question is, what is your main purpose in registering for the developer program? So you can just choose any one option here that's relevant for you and just click on the next option. And then the question is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much understanding do you have of who we are and what we do at Accenture? So choose a level of number based on your understanding of Accenture, and then you'll be directed to the next question, which is based on what you currently know about Accenture. How likely are you to apply for a full-time or internship role with this? So just choose whichever option that's applicable for you. And the last one is, do you want Accenture to view your personal information and contact you? So you can choose yes if you want, but I'm just going to go with the no option here. And now we are enrolling into this program. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in this Accenture developer program, and we are right into the task 1 section where we have to define technical requirements. So what you have to do is clearly given here. First, you have to watch the video instruction and then check the background info and context, and then you have your task. And then what you have to do is you have to go through the resources with which you can complete your task. And finally, you have to click here and start doing your task and submit it. And after submitting your task 1, you will be moving on to the next section and so on. So you have to complete all the tasks that is given here. And finally, after completing the entire Accenture developer program, you will get your certificate from Accenture. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online training events like this, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses and other things. And do not forget to join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.